Hi, and welcome to Arizona Mortgage News Update. I'm Mike Goblet, your Arizona Mortgage Guru. Today is Friday, March 25th, and I wanted to bring you an up-to-date on what's been happening before we go into the weekend. Overall, rates are slightly up this week versus where they were last year. The economy has shown good signs, as I had mentioned earlier, and we're competing against the investor dollar against a good stock market. So rates are a little up from where they were, but candidly they're still in a great range. 4.625 is about par pricing, and 4.875 would pay 2 back in YSP or rebate. Now, if you don't know what that means, you should really be giving me a call, because that's your money you're talking about, and it should affect how you approach a mortgage. It's something you need to learn about if you're not familiar with the lender's rebate or YSP programs. What should we expect? Well, I think realistically rates will begin a slow climb forward again as the economy starts to improve. Now, over the weekend we'll determine a fair amount as well. We'll see what happens with the crisis in Japan, if Portugal has any impact. But if there aren't any startling news or devastating economic news, rates will be about where they are today, or maybe begin to inch upward. And it's something you need to watch. Also be aware, on April 1st, the new Fed rules go into effect about loan officer origination fees and how we get paid. Candidly, you would think that shouldn't affect you, but because of the new Fed's regulations and how it will impact the lenders, the banks, it does impact you. The costs are going to go up regarding mortgages because of the built-in safety things that the banks are going to have to put in, or adjustments to cover different fees that they'll now have to cover. Sounds like a good deal, but it won't be if your rate or costs are going up, and that's what's going to happen. There are a couple of lawsuits against this regulation, but it's still set to go into effect on April 1st. We'll see what happens and what happens next week regarding those lawsuits. I appreciate you stopping by. Give me a call, Mike Goblet at United Mortgage Financial Group, 480-503-3533. Have a great weekend. Stop by early next week, and I'll repost where we are probably on about Tuesday. Look forward to talking to you. Have a great weekend.